Let's decorate my garden together. Let's decorate my garden for the BBQ party together. This is my garden. This is my garden. My garden is big and green. My garden is big and green. This is the patio. This is the patio. I sweep the patio carefully. I sweep the patio carefully. This is my husband, Mr. Brown. This is my husband, Mr. Brown. He helps me decorate the garden. He helps me decorate the garden. This is a table. This is a large wooden table. Mr. Brown helps me. He helps me move the wooden table. We put it under the tree. We put it under the tree. This is a tablecloth. This is a colorful tablecloth. I spread the tablecloth. I spread it on the table. It has red and white checks. It has red and white checks. Now we arrange the chairs. We arrange 8 chairs. We arrange them around the table. We arrange them around the table. The chairs are for our family and neighbors. The chairs are for our family and neighbors. These are string lights. These are string lights. Look at these beautiful string lights. Look at these beautiful string lights. I hold the string lights. I hold the string lights. Mr. Brown hangs the string lights. Mr. Brown hangs the string lights. He hangs them on the tree branches. He hangs them on the tree branches. The string lights look lovely. The string lights look lovely. They look lovely in the evening. They look lovely in the evening. This is a vase. This is a vase. I arrange flowers in the vase. I arrange flowers in the vase. I put the vase on the table. I put the vase of fresh flowers on the table. The flowers look beautiful. The flowers look beautiful. This is the BBQ grill. This is the BBQ grill. Mr. Brown checks the BBQ grill. Mr. Brown checks the BBQ grill. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. I put the charcoal near the grill. I put the charcoal near the grill. The grill is ready for the BBQ party. The grill is ready for the BBQ party. Wow, the garden looks cozy now. Everything is ready for the guests. In the next video, I will prepare the food for the BBQ party. Don't miss it!